Increasing Market Employability is a 4-year program that aims to create jobs and increase incomes for unemployed and underemployed women and men in Macedonia, with a particular focus on youth.
The Increasing Market Employability Programme is currently one of the Swiss Agency for Development Cooperation's biggest economic development programs in Macedonia, implemented by Swiss Contact with the support of a local subcontractor, Prida Plus. The main objective of the program is income and job creation for young women and men, and the program is implemented in 3 sectors: tourism and hospitality, green economy, and the creative industries.
IME program tries to provoke systemic change in the selected sectors, and we do this in several ways. First, by extending the existing markets of the businesses. Secondly, we try to reach new market opportunities for the businesses. And thirdly, we are working on new, improved and innovative services and products demanded by the market. Last but not least, we are also working on creating a conducive business environment and regulatory framework for operating the businesses and enabling the businesses to grow in our selected sectors.
The tourism and hospitality sector of the Increasing Market Employability Program in Macedonia is focused on tourism destination development, building capacity among local stakeholders, securing a productive business environment, and attracting domestic and international tourists.
Tourism and hospitality is the key sector for development in many countries. It is the main source for creation of income and jobs. We will be focused on development of 3 destinations, Ohrid, Kruševo and Mavrovo. We will assist them exploit the full potential of their cultural, historical and natural heritage.
Until recently, Mavrovo, the country's leading ski resort, lacked a targeted offer for families with children, even though it had strong potential for this type of tourism. The IME program coordinated between business and the public sector to launch the jointly financed family-specific packages.
Обуката за работа со деца, која што ја добивме преку име програмата, ни подпомогна за продлабочување на соработката на Сдруженијето Applet and Venture со Националниот парк Мавро.
Сакам да истакнам во оваа прилика соработката со име програмата на швајцарската амбасада, пред се со представниците кои ја водат оваа програма, кои што го детектираа Маврово како еден од 3 региони покрај Крушево и Охрид, кој што има потенцијал за развој на алтернативниот туризам, и сметам дека нашата соработка со име програмата, со Swiss Contact, представува една подолгорочна соработка која што веќе е подпишана до 2019 година.
IME wants to increase the number of domestic and international tourism arrivals, their overnights and the money they spend in the destination. This will increase the income of businesses and therefore create new jobs.
In June 2015, IME began replicating the process in a much more complex place, Ohrid, Macedonia's premium tourism destination. The focus of the locally established management working group is adventure travel, and the program is assessing the current situation, working closely with the Port Authority on safety measures and facilitating constructive dialogue on tourism-related infrastructure.
We will use destination development methodology pioneered by Swiss University of St. Gallen that will shift the approach from product-centric to client-centric perspective.
Tourism activities are being customized to fit tourist needs with the aid of Swiss adventure tour operators, which is expected to bring more tourists that stay longer and spend more. IME is also supporting the first regional Adventure Next conference to take place in Ohrid in May 2016, which will introduce local stakeholders in the 3 destinations to international tour operators.
Во соработка со име проектот се подготвуваме за организација на Adventure Next ивент кој го организира АТА, која планира да донесе 45 купувачи и уште отприлика толку медиуми кои би ја промовирале Македонија понатаму и би ги продавале нашите производи во странство.
In the field of creative industry, the Increasing Market Employability, or IME program in Macedonia, will support 2 subsectors, software and IT services, and product design.
Software development and product design are the sectors that are more likely to have a broader economic impact and we as a program are considering them as an important components of the knowledge-based modern economies.
In the inception phase, IME facilitated the drafting, development, and adoption of the National ICT Strategy 2016-2017 and its action plan. The preparation process was very inclusive, reflecting the needs of the business community. The adoption of the strategy clearly demonstrated the commitment of the government and the business sector to work together on further growth in this area.
Помошта на име програмата во процесот на подготовка на националната стратегија за ИКТ 2016-2017 година беше значајна за зајакнување на приватно-јавниот диалог помеѓу МИО, бизнис заедницата и академијата.
One of the key constraints in the sector is limited access to skilled labor for Macedonia IT companies.
By introducing innovative and flexible labor insertion services triggered by sector dynamics, the IME program will support initiatives that provide easier and faster access to skilled labor for Macedonian IT companies.
IME has supported the establishment of a business simulator that combines tailor-made training programs with real-case working tasks, mentored by actual companies.
Особено не радува тоа што програмата за зголемување на пазарната вработливост многу брзо ја препозна иновативноста и револуционерноста на проектот Бизнес симулатор и уште попосветено и пофлексибилно се вклучи во нејзината имплементација.
The first cycle of the SEDC Business Simulator included 10 businesses and 20 trainees.
Конкретно, поддршката која што ја добивме од програмата се однесуваше на, јас би рекла, најкомплексниот процес, а тоа беше развојот и пресликувањето на методологијата за развој на самиот проект.
Software and IT services companies face a challenge to attract and retain qualified staff, and some are interested in investing in employee benefits that will entice and keep both male and female employees. The key to a successful company is skilled, qualified, and engaged employees who have managed to achieve a satisfactory work-life balance, something which is incomparably harder for women than it is for men.
Women economic empowerment within IME program will take a two-pronged approach. Firstly, as mainstreamed and integral part within all sectors, and secondly, working with stakeholders on gender-specific interventions by building the capacity of stakeholders to take proactive measures on women and economic empowerment.
The IME program will support both existing companies and startups, identify and maximize the opportunities for access to management, marketing, and financial supportive services that ensure enterprise growth in the creative industries.
The rapidly developing IT and software sector offers many possibilities for employment, particularly for young people. In order to keep up with workforce demands, educational institutions need to be able and flexible to train highly skilled and qualified individuals based on labor market needs.
The program aims to support formal and non-formal education providers and businesses to strengthen their linkages and improve mutual cooperation. Furthermore, IME facilitates the introduction of labor market-oriented modules and courses, which will strengthen the skills and qualifications of the students and participants required by the businesses.
IME will promote the use of business development services in order to improve access to new foreign and domestic markets for software IT and product design companies. The IME program aids the development of the green economy by facilitating market access and raising awareness.
Green economy is a sustainable part of existing economy that has a positive impact on environment and social inclusion.
Green economy is a new concept. Simply put, it is low carbon, resource efficient, and socially inclusive, consisting of 10 subsectors.
The IME program will work into green economy subsectors, organic agriculture and sustainable building, due to their potential for job creation and income generation.
Organic agriculture has seen an increasing trend in the last 10 years. However, the organic market was sporadic and unorganized, and inputs in organic production were unavailable. Sustainable building is a part of construction or reconstruction that improves the energy efficiency of buildings. However, there is a low demand and low awareness of the benefits of such energy efficiency measures.
By introducing new business models, we will improve access to market for companies from the sector and generate higher income and new jobs.
The focus of IME's program in 2015 was the demand of the market system. We piloted new business models that will strengthen the linkages in the market system and establish missing functions such as aggregation, distribution, and access to market.
Оваа година, благодарение на име програмата, преку која што направивме одредени контакти со купувачи на органски производи од Скопје, успеавме за прв пат реално и вистински да продадеме органски производи.
IME facilitated the partnership that resulted in Macedonia's first organic bazaar and the establishment of the first organic food consumers cooperative. These two interventions provided access to new markets for organic farmers.
Оно што мене лично Swiss Contact ми го овозможи или допринесе е самодоверба. Меѓутоа, дека Swiss Contact не препозна како чинител на органскиот пазар, покрај тоа што бевме во некоја лабилна, условно кажано, фаза, не се уште формализирани, беше на некој начин и наш допринос сигнал дека одиме во добар правец.
IME is also supporting the development of a rural business incubator, which will provide the farmers with seedlings and expertise for the production of medical and aromatic plants. Even though women in this sector are facing greater challenges than men, some of them are leading the way in sustainable and organic agriculture development.
За жените кои што се бават со земјоделство и кои што живеат во руралните средини, особено е битна поддршката на ваквите програми како што е име програмата.
As part of the green economy, the focus of activities in the coming period will be sustainable building. The analysis of this sector has already shown the underlying causes and potential market system changes.